I'm Luke Blauch, and I'm the principal and owner of DropXcell. DropXcell helps biotech companies screen millions of antibodies for function every day in their own lab. I work in the field of microfluidics, and microfluidics is exactly what it sounds like. It's tiny, tiny little droplets of water, right? Microfluidics. And so inside of these tiny droplets of water, we're able to have millions of them. We're able to put millions of different single cells inside of these droplets. Microfluidics at its best enables biological research to be performed faster, cheaper, and with more samples than any other method. Modern DNA sequencing is based on microfluidics technology. We've been able to cut the cost of DNA sequencing of the human genome from $10 million per genome to under $1,000. So we're trying to bring that same decrease in cost, increase in throughput, so we can test all these different patient samples. We're trying to bring all of that to antibody discovery. By testing millions of different compounds inside of these tiny little droplets of water, we're able to basically increase the number of compounds that we can test by 10,000 times. And by testing 10,000 times more compounds, you have 10,000 times higher chance of finding a drug that really benefits the patient. At DropXcell, we have a best-in-class platform for making droplets. And the special thing about these droplets is that they can be sorted on any commercial flow cytometer, which every biotech company has. We have a platform of different consulting services designed to meet whatever needs you have. If you need just a little bit of support, you need project management support, or you needed somebody actually in the lab doing the experiments, we offer any of those options. And then finally, we offer training to enable you and your lab to get up and running using high throughput functional screening. Something I love in building my business is learning everything that I don't already know how to do. So I have a PhD in engineering, I don't have a PhD in sales, I don't have a PhD in marketing, but there's all this that you have to learn when you're starting a business. I've really enjoyed not just doing the science, not just doing the engineering, but doing all the other things that are required to start a business. My advice to people who want to start a business is to set a deadline and start your business. So what I mean by that is, if you have 6 months of funding, like from your savings, then you have 6 months to be successful. And you should go and try to start your business in that amount of time. And there's no unknown risk involved. You can just go and start it and try to be successful. What makes me the most proud is seeing customers who are succeeding with the high throughput screening capabilities that we are bringing into their labs, and knowing that when they succeed, we are really at DropXcell contributing to the next generation of therapies for patients. My hope is that my clients don't just trust my expertise that I bring to them, but also trust me as a person, and that they see me not just as a consultant, but also as their partner, as they're building their high throughput screening capabilities, that they want to work together with me to build those and see that together we can build something better than if either one of us is just doing it by ourselves.